Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, A Word a Day. Let's go with our fourth adjective to describe people in English. Are you a type of person who loves the company of others, who mingles with everyone very easily? Then the right word to describe yourself is gregarious. You can use many other words for gregarious like extrovert, sociable, clubable, and all. The meaning of the word is fond of company or sociable. Examples: my friend was popular at school because of her gregarious nature. He is known by all because of his gregarious personality. The opposite of gregarious is unsociable or reserved. Which type of person are you? A gregarious or a reserved? Mention it in the comments below. Learn something new today and want to learn new every day? Then do not forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Keep learning. Happy learning.